What going people? Well, I'm not even say people. It doesn't know you left over here. Big up on yourself, you see me? Yeah, man. I know no day I wait for me just put sitting panic on the channel. Sitting, anything. Just put up sitting, dog. Please. Put up sitting. Sitting. We just want sitting for watch. See there? Like this. I know say the funny thing, you have some people who still a link me and say, Yo, dog! Oh, me not see a new video for you, man, charge. And when me hear them things that me genuinely baffled. You don't see a new video for me? Yeah, man, charge. You don't see no new video. Until you top the YouTube and them thing there. You make the other comedian youth them run off the thing, dog, and you just drop off, so. You don't see no video for me? Me just drop a video yesterday, brother. Me just drop a video yesterday. But charge, you don't drop no video there. What you talk about? Me don't see that if you drop it, my lord. Let me calm down. You turn on your post notifications? How about that? You subscribe to my other channel? Where there? Which channel you subscribe to? Don't get me too crazy, dog. I want to see my head to watch with them things in the brother. Alright, cool. So that means you don't subscribe to Kevin Too Crazy Extra. That's the other channel when we put video upon for about a year now or so, you know, subscribe to it. To tell you the truth, you know, my dog, you want to know, say, yo, I do some vibes, and I go check it out still. I check it out when I go home. And them things they want to do to me all the while. Them things they want to do, you know. All these channels across YouTube, people telling you to check out the links in the description. No, not do it. People telling you to turn on post notifications. No, not do it. No, just do the one thing and then you say we not make no video. So you see me over here for the longest while, but that means I not drop no video. I there up on the other channel, I drop video over there so. But the real G's them know what the thing there. If we go find the thing, what the thing them release. And honestly, what it really if you go out with that channel, I did have some content I want to put out, but as you see coronavirus come across and just change up a whole flow and the whole program and things. So I have to just alright. I just build back. I really want to put out that kind of content there. I don't really want to do nothing yet. But
look like I don't just want things to watch and I just do the things to watch.
Honestly, that channel, it's a good source of revenue, you know. Like if I was driven by money. Because money not drive me, you know, people. You see, if the content when I produce now going to be up to a certain level, I'm not going to be proud of it. I'm not going to put it on YouTube. All if a content when I know I'm going to get me millions of views. I'm not going to do it like fake prank and them things. I'm not do them things there. Unnecessary drama. I'm not do them things there, brother. Not that me a bash nobody will do it. I'm not give a f***. I don't know for a long time I don't care, you know. So if you know I feel like me a bash, I just say the things. But I say, yo, me not know my type of content. It might be for other people, but not for me. I like to create things at the end of the day. I'm proud of it. Because believe me, people, if me just have the YouTube strictly for money, you don't see some foolishness for me. You don't see some fat. And some man not even care. You don't care about content again. One time back in the day, you know, on YouTube, you did have to have skill and actual talent and them things. But people will sit down and watch your damn food now and you're rich. You're rich! Gone are the days when you did actually have to be creative for the on YouTube. And I guess that's a life going, you know what I mean? The participation trophy effect go right across the board. You know the participation trophy, man, where everybody get a little trophy to make them feel like, say, yeah, they might do something. But really and truly, you never do nothing. Last you come in, brother. Last you come in. Last you come in a race. But you get a participation trophy, so yeah, you feel like you do something.
And that's the way everything gone to know, participation trophy thing.
Anyways, I just start make some content there, man. Any type of content, you know. Since as people will watch anything, don't be surprised if my next video is, you know, showing you how to peel a cooking green banana with turn ripe and eat it. Don't be surprised. People, this is how you peel a cooking green banana with ripe on you because you have it too long. And up on top a rotten little bit. This is how you peel it, just like that. Yeah, I peel my banana them from down at base. Like how monkey do it. Because them have the formula. If you ever watch how monkey peel banana, I saw them do it. It's way easier to peel it away than to go up at the top. Try it, trust me. So yeah, after you peel the banana now, what you want to do, you want to dash your skin in your trash. And then you want to go so boom and eat the ripe peel banana. And them things I love though. Mukbang and them something. Maybe it look ugly or fruit, but I know so no mind. A content though. Yeah. This tastes good though. And it sounds good. Honestly, anybody want to help me with my beard? Because my beard look rough. But then again, I'm my fault because I don't really comb beard on them or something. Yeah. Only if I go up on the road and my beard, I don't know, we have the kinky beard, so if it's not wet, that can't cope. Big up to the OGs that must stay up on the channel. I don't start post content here, man. If you can't beat them, you join them. I'm not really going to join them, but I can join them, but I can do it in that. You see me? Honestly, I'm do